The last shape we'll take a look at is a trapezoid. Now it's a weird one, but what we're going to do is some geometric magic to figure out how we can determine the area of it. So first we need to know a couple of things. We need to know how long that base is, so that is 7 inches. We need to know how long the top base is, which is 3 inches. And then we need to know how tall it is. There's a reason why we need to know how tall it is, and I'll point that out to you in a minute. And so that's 5 inches. And so that would represent our height right there. Okay, now the way we figure it out is we bust out a second trapezoid that's the exact same dimensions, but what we have to do is flip it around like that. If we take a look at it, let me straighten her out just a little bit, the shape that we have is a parallelogram. And so again, the dimensions are the same. So this is 3 inches, this is 7 inches, and what that means is that the area of the whole parallelogram itself is going to be equal to 10. That's 7 plus 3 times the height, which in this case is going to be 5, for a total of 50 inches squared. Well, here's where we get to do a little bit of fun. We take away that. All right? And so we look at the area formula. It is 1/2 of what we just did, which is we took the two bases, base 1 plus base 2, and we times it by the height. And so in this case, we'll get 1/2 times 3 plus 7 times 5. This we know is 1/2 times 10 times 5, which is 5 times 5, 25 inches squared. Which makes sense. When the whole thing was 50 and we take away half of it, we get 25. So hopefully this helps you understand the why behind these formulas and why we know these formulas work to find the area of these different shapes.